Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 1 and we present about our technical paper, a study on pavement condition index on Skudai-Pontian highway.
Assalamualaikum, my name is ALIF AIMAN by HASHIM. For introduction, pavement is an important part of transportation infrastructure. It is built to prevent the traffic loads that is expected for a certain design period. Due to the importance of pavement safe and reliable transportation and the need for routine maintenance and repair, pavement condition assessment has become an integral part of pavement management system, or we call it PMS. There are several indicators used to describe pavement condition, such as the pavement condition index, current service index, international roughness index, and the current service index. PCI is one of the most popular indicators for pavement evaluation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is ISMAIL.
So the next slide is literature review. This literature review is about pavement management. The pavement management is an effective technique for studying and treating the condition of the pavement of the road. There are importance of characteristic of PMS, which is pavement management system, is to determine the current state of pavement. There are two types of road failure, which is failure of functionality and structural damage, which involve the collapse. PMS includes pavement maintenance. So go to the next slide, is about the pavement condition index, PCI. PCI is a technique for measuring road pavement by type, the extent of damage, and used as a reference in the maintenance industry. There are several advantages of PCI, which is identification of need for immediate road maintenance and rehabilitation, establishment of road network, preventive maintenance policies and budgets. PCI also is a numerical index that ranges from 0 to 100, which is 0 is denoting failed pavement and 100 is denoting perfect quality. PCI is a subjective inspection and observation. Objective of the study. There were three primary objectives in this study, which the first thing is to determine the road distress at Skudai-Pontian highway. Secondly is to identify the extent of damage through counting in pavement condition index PCI, and lastly to find out method of maintenance and rehabilitation on the pavement.
For methodology, there is a few types of road distress that was found, and it were shoulder drop off, pothole, alligator creaking, patching, and slippage cracking. For calculating on PCI, must search for deduct value, density to deduct value, corrected deduct value, and value PCI. How to search for density is based on the type of road distress and distress amount in meters square divided by sample unit area in meter square times 100. For deduct value, we must use deduct value curve that is based on distress type and severity. For the deduct value, it is sum of deduct value. Corrected deduct value, we use deduct value curve, and the value of PCI. For every sample, we must 100 minus corrected deduct value. For every PCI, sum of every sample of PCI divided by number of sample.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AIMAN bin NAZERI.
So next is about the data analysis. As we all know, within this project, we are using the PCI method or pavement condition index method in order to identify the condition of a study road. So the PCI method consists three steps, which are firstly, the identify maximum allowable number of value M. Secondly, finding maximum corrected deduct value CDV, and thirdly, determine the pavement condition index and their rate. So within this project, our group was studying of condition of 1 kilometer at Skudai-Pontian highway road. So the road was divided by 10 sections with 10 meter length and 8 meter width. So the picture shown in the slide is the overview of all 10 section road consists within this project. So next is about the analysis from raw data. So as we can see the table on the slide, we can see 1 to 10 section of the PCI value and also their root of condition.
For the summary of the data analysis, the overall PCI value was 65.8 and the word rating was good condition.
Assalamualaikum, my name Muhammad Azri bin NIZAMDIN.
Okay, let's move on to rehabilitation of the road. Maintenance and rehabilitation are used to retard or restore this process of degradation. Maintenance action help reduce the speed of degradation rates, identifying and working in specific pavement defects that contribute to general degradation. Rehabilitation is an act of repairing some of the existing pavement to restore the degradation process. There are two types of rehabilitation: hot mix asphalt and in-place recycling. Okay, for the structure overlay, structural coatings are used to increase the texture capacity of the pavement. Can be classified into the following categories: Number 1, engineering judgment. Number 2, component analysis. Number 3, non-destructive check with deflection limit criteria. Number 4, mechanistic empirical analysis. And for the road maintenance work, is classified into 3 categories: routine, periodic and emergency. Routine maintenance is based on a periodic, which means daily inspection of the condition of the pavement, cutting and filling of slope, drainage system, bridge and other structure to monitor for any defect and damage.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ARIFAFIFI bin JUPRI. Finally, for the conclusion in this study, the 1 km work section of Skudai-Pontian Highway was rated as good with average PCI value of 65.8 and mostly of the sample was rated as satisfactory. The pavement degrade over time as a result of traffic and environmental effect. Timely intervention is required to keep existing pavement in good working order, which help to prevent pavement deterioration and maintenance costs. Using the PCI value obtained, maintenance can be carried out using the most effective way for enhancing work condition and ensuring the safety of the work users against a variety of threats that could risk their lives. That's all from us. Thank you.